Your MF8S Xtra will benefit from a complete range of solutions. MF by You, that offers customization options from our Beauvais Centre to meet your specific needs. Agco Finance provides flexible financing solutions tailored to your business. MF Care ensures peace of mind with comprehensive warranty packages covering your MF machines and ensuring they perform reliably throughout their life cycle. Agco Parts offers genuine Agco parts designed for optimal efficiency and durability, ensuring your machine operates at peak performance. Agco Customer Support provides dedicated dealer and technician support, along with proactive alert services to maximise uptime. And finally, MF Always Running, a unique solution in the market made by Massey Ferguson that offers a courtesy fleet to ensure uninterrupted work. Whether your MF products need servicing, repairs, temporary replacements keep your farm operations running smoothly. These services underscore Massey Ferguson's commitment to providing not just reliable machinery, but a comprehensive support to maximise your farming efficiency and success. In summary, the MF8S Xtra was rethought and upgraded. On one side, capitalising on the strengths of Massey Ferguson, and on the other, taking a step ahead in terms of performance, comfort and innovation. It will offer you one of the roomiest workplaces in its sector, providing unparalleled visibility, top comfort and practical ergonomics. Enhanced connectivity with the technology package and the new Android Auto and Apple CarPlay screen to work longer hours with less fatigue and greater productivity. A wide choice of power outputs and transmissions to match your exact requirements. Top-notch traction with its 3.05 metre wheelbase and 2.05 metre tyres, ensuring pull-in power when you need it. Exceptional versatility and manoeuvrability with a turning radius of just 5.7 metres. Outstanding road payload capacity with a gross vehicle weight of 16 tonnes at 40 and 50 kph, making it an agile tractor suitable for all applications, including road transport. The potential to customise your tractor to match your specific requirements thanks to our MF by You workshop. As you now know, with the MF8S Xtra, you will embrace the future of agriculture with a machine you can count on, that is as hard-working and dedicated as you are. Ready to come on board? Contact your Massey Ferguson dealer and ask for a demo.